Always ice cold. Keep your Slim Can ice cold and refreshing for longer. Our Slim Beverage Cooler features polyurethane foam insulation which helps prevent your cold drink from turning lukewarm. A SNUG Custom Fit. Worried about your soda can easily sliding out of the sleeve? The inner part of the can sleeve is lined with a polyester mesh layer which gives you a firm grip on your drink. Vibrant colors. TahoeBay colors stand apart. Between the bright color of the Scuba knit polyester and the quality backing of our unique polyfoam, you will notice the difference. Ready for branding. Let your imagination run wild with these blank beer can coolers. Print your own designs, brand logos, or artwork on each Slim Can insulator for a personal touch. A creative 120Z can cooler, designed for heat transfer vinyl, HTV, screen printing, and sublimation. With minimal effort, these can covers for beer, soda, or hard seltzer will be ready for your next event. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Shipping was fast and these are great quality. I accidentally left one under my heat press for like 20 minutes as it cooled down before I noticed and they didn't even melt. I had read horror stories of koozies melting under the wrong temperature so I was nervous. I did iron on vinyl, preheat for 5 seconds at 280 degrees and then press for 20 seconds with the Cricut Easy Press and they came out perfectly. Very impressed with this product and I wish I would have used this company for all of the koozies I purchased.